Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, hello, my name is Knook, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna create this purple smoky makeup look, and I'm gonna teach you how you can create this on your own eyes as well. This look can be worn for any occasion, but I think it will be really nice for the holidays as well, since it's a little bit more smoky and glamorous. So hopefully by the end of this video, it will motivate you to try it on your own eyes as well. Now the first thing I'm gonna do, like always, is prime my eyelids, and I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. I'm gonna use the MAC P84 brush and apply this all over my eyelid. This is gonna leave like a nice clean base for all the other eyeshadows I'm gonna apply on my eyelid. And then I went in with a eyeshadow guard. I sell these on my website, but they are also available by the brand Eyeshadow Guards, or what are Eyeshadow Shields, that's the name. But you can also use some regular sticky tape that you have at home, that will work as well. So I'm gonna go in with this palette from Maven Beauty, and I'm gonna take this reddish burgundy kind of shade. You can use any shade that you have at home, it doesn't have to be this brand, but you wanna go in with kind of like a reddish burgundy color. And I'm gonna start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. And the shadow guard is really handy because you can just kind of like blend it in your crease, and then your brush will kind of glide on top of the shadow guard. It's just really easy. And after creating this makeup look, once you've removed the eyeshadow guard, it's gonna leave you with a super sharp edge, which is really cool because that's really nice. Like, it leaves you with a really sharp, clean line, so you don't have to worry about that. And also you can use that line as a guideline for your eyeliner, which is really nice as well. Definitely if you struggle with your eyeliner, this can come in really handy. So I'm just gonna continue to blend and blend and just taking it slow. I always apply a little bit and then I go in with more product and then just gradually like build up the color pigmentation on the eyelid. So I just continue to do this until I'm satisfied with how everything is looking. And then I took this color, which is kind of like a dark purple shade, and I'm gonna blend this in my crease and outer V area as well, but blending it a little bit lower because I still want you to see that reddish shade like right above it. So if I would blend this like on the exact same place where I placed the reddish shade, it will all cover it up. So you want to make sure you blend it a little bit lower so you can still see that burgundy color like right above it. And this is what's going to create that nice transition that goes from dark to light towards your brows. So now next I'm gonna go in with the black eyeshadow, and all of the shades I used so far are all matte. So I'm gonna take a tinier brush and blend this in the outer V area as well. Also a little bit on top of the dark purple shade. This is gonna make it even more intense. So now I'm gonna go in with this Maven Beauty palette. I'll put all the names of all the products I'm using today in the description bar. This is a gorgeous kind of like purple sparkly color. I'm just using my finger to apply this all over the eyelid. If you're recreating this makeup look and you're not really a fan of purple, you could also go in with a blue shade, a green shade, or like a golden shade. You can go in with any shade that you like. So this is just a personal preference. Like when you recreate my makeup looks, of course you don't have to follow each step that I'm doing unless you want, of course, but you can definitely give your own twist to it. Or you could even do like a pop of a light shade in the center of the eyelid to give it a little bit more of a spotlight effect, which is really pretty as well. So after applying the purple, I went in with a clean blending brush and just blended around the edges to make sure that there were no like harsh lines. And the shimmery color that I applied on the eyelids kind of blends together nicely with the matte shades in the crease. So now going in with a little bit more of this black matte shade, and using this for along the lash line. So I'm actually not going in with any like liquid eyeliner or anything. I just wanted to use some eyeshadow to create that winged liner effect without actually using eyeliner. So this is where the eyeshadow guard comes in really handy, because you can just kind of blend it along. Honestly, it's just really easy, and once you remove the eyeshadow guard, like I said earlier, it's gonna leave you with a super sharp line. So it's just a matter of blending, but you actually don't have to be like super precise with this. Just make sure that you stick close to your lash line. And now I'm gonna remove the eyeshadow guard, and you can see what I was talking about. It now kind of looks like I used eyeliner, but I actually didn't, which I think is really cool. So this is how it's looking so far. So now I'm going in with this black pencil, which is by Makeup by Mario. It's one of my favorite black pencils. I really like it. It's super black and it stays in place really nicely, and it also doesn't give me watery eyes, which a lot of pencils actually tend to do, unfortunately. So going in even more with some black eyeshadow. Now using it underneath the lower lash line using a very tiny, precise pencil brush. Using it right underneath the lower lash line, but also slightly on top of the waterline, so it's as black as possible, and you can't really see like any skin in between the waterline and in between the eyeshadow that I'm applying right now. So don't be afraid to like apply it a little bit on top of your waterline, but be careful if you wear contacts. I don't wear contacts, but maybe if you get the eyeshadow in your eyes, it's not gonna feel really nicely. So now I went in with a little bit more of that purple eyeshadow and used this for underneath the lower lash line to blend it out a little bit more and to give it that purple sheen that we have on the eyelid as well, which looks really beautiful, and it makes the black look a little bit softer. So now I'm curling my lashes because it's already time for mascara. So I used a simple mascara, and then I went in with these Maven Beauty cruelty-free lashes in the style number 12. So I think the mascara I used is the Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is my favorite drugstore mascara. It's really good. So I just used this to coat my upper lashes and my lower lashes. But because I'm using that Maven Beauty mascara, I'm not really too focused on how my upper lashes look, because the lashes are gonna cover it up anyways. But of course, if you recreate this makeup look, you can just leave it with some with some mascara and you're good to go. But if you want, of course, you can add some lashes for some extra glamour and drama. So this is the final result. I really hope you all like the end result. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Let me know if this is something you would wear personally. I really love purple shades. I feel like it kind of shows a little bit more of my eye color. I just notice every time I use purple eyeshadow, it makes my eyes pop a little bit more, which I really like. So yeah, this is the end result. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Even if you try, you